Hi everyone, my name is Miss Sanaya and I'm a FoodCorps service member in Detroit, Michigan. And today we're going to learn a lesson through this video which is called Sunny Honey Seed Snacks. So, as you guys might know, a plant starts from a seed. So first you have to put the seed in the ground and the seed will grow into a big plant, maybe a little plant, if you give it soil, water, and air, and if you take care of it. But did you know that you can actually eat some kinds of seeds? Does anybody know what kind of seed you can eat? If you know, raise your hand. All right, so the correct answer is you can eat sunflower seeds. You can also eat pumpkin seeds. Not sure if you guys knew this one, but you can also eat sesame seeds. So there actually are quite a few kinds of seeds that you can eat. And today we are going to make a snack from seeds. So many seeds are edible, which means we can eat them and they're healthy for us too. Today we're going to make a sweet snack with them. So it is very important to eat seeds because seeds have a lot of really good things in them. And these good things are called nutrients. So inside of a seed is everything a plant needs to grow into a big plant. Because of this, seeds are very nutritious or have lots of really good things for us, for our bodies. So let's talk about some of the seeds and the other ingredients we're going to use for our snack. So our snack today is called Sunny Honey Seed Snacks. And so let's go through the list of ingredients. You're going to need 1 cup of rolled oats. So rolled oats are something that you might use in your oatmeal. We're going to need 1 cup of that. We're also going to need 1 cup of sesame seeds. So you can probably get these at a store. If you don't have them at home and you cannot go to a store right now, that's okay. But they're a great thing to add for the snack if you do have them or you have a way of getting them safely. We're also going to use sunflower seeds in the snack. We need 1 cup of sunflower seeds. We need 1 cup of honey. And then we need 1 cup of nut butter, or I'm going to use sunflower butter, but you can also use almond butter, or if you have peanut butter, you can use peanut butter. Okay, so those are all of the things that we need for our recipe. Let's go through them again. We need oats, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, honey, or nut, or sunflower butter. And I will be posting the recipe online as well, so don't worry if you missed that. So now we are going to make the dough of the recipe. Okay, so let's get started and see what we need for the dough. So we're going to take a big bowl. Okay, so whatever kind of bowl you have at home, take a big bowl. And then I'm going to make a smaller amount. I'm not going to use the 1 cup measurements because I'm just making it for myself. All right, so now it is time to make your dough. So the first thing you need for the dough is your oats. So as I said, I'm using a smaller amount, so I just put in a few oats. Mix it up a little bit with your hands. And now you're going to add your sun butter. So you would want to scoop the sun butter out with a spoon just like I'm doing. Make sure you've washed your hands or you're wearing gloves. And then scoop out all of that sun butter, put it in with the oats. Remember, the sun butter is kind of like your glue, so you want a good amount of it. And then now we're going to add the honey. So my honey actually solidified in the fridge, so I had to microwave it a bit. But if you have fresh honey, that should be soft. So now mix all 3 together. And then we are going to add some sunflower seeds. That is the last component of our dough. So you want to mix, mix, mix. Mix all that dough together. And then when it's a good consistency, everything's nicely mixed, you are all set and done with your dough. All right. So now, once you have your dough nicely mixed up, you're going to take your sesame seeds And you're going to put a little bit of them out in a bowl or a plate. I'm using a plate because I don't have another bowl on me right now. But you can just put them out right here. Oops, took a little bit too much. So if you just put them on a plate just like that, smooth it out a little bit. And then you're going to want to take guys see there? All right. So you're going to take a little ball and make a nice little ball of your Sunny Honey seed snacks. And then this is the fun part. So you get to roll it around in your sesame seeds. Make sure it's nicely covered. Make sure the entire ball is nicely covered. And then you can move on and make another one. And so this is a great snack because, as we said, seeds have a lot of energy in them because they have everything that a plant needs to become and grow into a big plant. So you know that they're very nutritious, and we said nutritious means that they're very healthy. So you can make a lot of those. All right, so I'm going to make one more. So you guys see how it's done? Make a nice little ball. And then you roll it around in that sesame seed. All right, so those are our Sunny Honey seed snacks. So make sure you try that after you've had a chance to make it. And then we have a few questions from our lesson today. So what were the ingredients that we used today in the Sunny Honey seed snacks? So if you think back, we can go through them one more time. All of these ingredients, a lot of times you can find them in your house, in your pantry. You should have a lot of them at home, and so this is a great snack to make while we are all at home together. So our first ingredient was our oats, and this is great for our oatmeals. We're also using it in the snack. Then we're using a nut butter or a sun butter. We also used sesame seeds. We used honey. And then we used sunflower seeds. So those are all of the ingredients. Our next question is, why are seeds a healthy food to eat? So let's think back to what the seed does and how the seed might grow into a plant and why is it healthy. So I'll give you a minute, think about it. If you know the right answer, you can raise your hand. Okay, so the correct answer is that seeds have all the nutrients that a plant needs to grow. And so that's why they're extremely healthy for you. And then what other seeds or nuts do you think we could add to the snack? Think about it for a second, and then we'll get an idea. Okay, so you could add something like peanuts. If you're not allergic to those, you could add almonds, maybe even walnuts. Or you could add something like pumpkin seeds, which is another seed that we eat. All right, awesome. So thank you for joining me for today's snack activity. Remember, we made Sunny Honey seed snacks. And now I'm going to try one of them before we go. Very delicious, very crunchy, and also very sweet and healthy. So make sure you try it at home and let me know what you think. All right, bye guys.